Cambridge Primary Science, Workbook 3. 3. Light and shadows. 3. Light and shadows. Greater than 3.1 shadows. Focus. 1. Look at the objects below. Draw a line to match each object to the right shadow. O. Practice. 3.1 shadows. 2. Look at these objects. Predict the shadow shape and draw it on the right. Object. Ruler. Paperclip. Book. Comb. Tracing paper. 1520. Drawing of the shadow. 3. Light and shadows. Challenge. 3. Look at the objects. Has each shadow been drawn correctly? Write a tick, check mark, or cross, X, to say if the shadow is right or wrong. If the shadow is wrong, draw it correctly at the bottom. Is the shadow right? Opening parenthesis, check mark, or wrong, opening parenthesis, X. X. Now draw the shadow correctly. 3.2 Changing shadows. Greater than 3.2 changing shadows. Focus. 1. Here are 4 objects. Draw one shadow each object might make. Then draw a different shadow the object might make. Object. Paperclip. Pencil. Phone. Scissors. Cell. Shadow 1. 0. Shadow 2. Slash. 3. Light and shadows. Practice. At noon the sun is high and Kamal has a very short shadow. 2. Draw the sun lower in the sky near the X at 4 p.m. B. Draw what Kamal's shadow will look like at 4 p.m. X. 4 p.m. Challenge. 3.2 Changing shadows. Marcus measured the size of a shadow as he moved a drumstick towards a light source. He recorded his results on the table below. 3. Look at the table and answer the questions. Test number distance from light source. cm. Size of shadow. cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 6, 14, 25, 34, 42. cm closer. A. For each test, Marcus moved the drumstick to the light source. B. The shadow was biggest when the drumstick was from the light source. C. What is the pattern in the shadow size? Complete this sentence. As the drumstick moved towards the light source, the shadow cm. 3. Light and shadows. Greater than 3.3 transparent materials. Focus. Look at these pictures. Which items are made from transparent materials? Which are made from opaque materials? 1. Under each picture write transparent or opaque. Glass, metal, see-through plastic, transparent, glass lamp, eggshell, wood, rock, plastic window, magnifying glass. Practice. 3.3 Transparent materials. All sunglasses are transparent, but some are more opaque than others. 2. Match the right glasses to the right environment. Reading indoors. Outside on a bright day. 60. Dark sunglasses needed, slightly dark sunglasses needed. 60. Very dark sunglasses needed. 6. Sunny beach. Very bright sunny winter day with snow on the ground. No sunglasses needed. 3. Light and shadows. Challenge. 3. What kind of eye protection do these people need? Use a tick, check mark, or cross, X, to answer each question in the table. Person, visor, mask, goggles, sunglasses, indoors. Does this person need eye protection? Use a or a X to say whether the sentence is true or false. They might get water in their eyes. X. The sunlight is too bright. They might get water in their eyes. The sunlight is too bright. They might get water in their eyes. The sunlight is too bright. They might get water in their eyes. The sunlight is too bright. They might get water in their eyes. The sunlight is too bright. Should the protection be dark like sunglasses? 3.4 translucent materials. Greater than 3.4 translucent materials. Focus. Here we can see sentences covered by 4 sheets. 2 sheets are transparent, 1 is translucent and 1 is opaque. 1 join each word to the correct picture. Can you read this? Can you read this? Can you read this? Transparent, translucent, opaque. 3 light and shadows. Practice. These children were asked, why does the emergency sign have translucent glass with a bright lamp behind it? Single quote. They answered like this. Zara. It keeps the sign cool. Marcus. Because the glass might not break. Emergency exit. It makes the sign bright, but the bright lamp is kept out of our eyes. Sophia. Because the letters stick to it. 2. Which child is right? Why? Aaron. 3.4 translucent materials. Challenge. Translucent materials scatter light so that we can't see things clearly through them. The dentist has a translucent window. It lets some light in, but we cannot see clearly through the glass. 3. Why has the dentist put translucent glass in her window? B. This light on the ceiling is covered with a translucent shade. Why do people like to have these translucent shades on bright light bulbs? C. Some people put translucent glass in their front door. Why do they do this? Dentist.